We are. I think we're good. I still don't know if I've completely figured out the whole streamer bot integration thing, but I think I'm getting closer. So I met someone named Foolbox. Oh, I'm doing great, man. Had a great day. I'm looking forward to making this transition sooner than later, that's for sure. But overall, I'm really good. But in the, I have some new emotes. Once they're approved, I'll probably move them down to the free tier instead of having to be subs. But these are the new emotes. I'm gonna have an animated one from Qmizu. Super good artist, very down to earth game dev. But I was checking out, her working on these things today. No, not like that. Not like that. I came across this game, Block Shop. Foolbox, who is a streamer, he was in the same channel watching Mizu earlier, and he mentioned his game. So I told him, hey, I'd check it out, because he was like, oh, I'm just curious as people's interactions and stuff to people who haven't played it. And I also know that I'm not particularly good at puzzle games, but I watched him play a little bit of it. And this is just to give some honest feedback, just to, try to work on something that I want to do. Like, I'd really like people to be like, hey, demo this game and let me know what you think. But I need to start somewhere. So I figured I would just go ahead and start here. So that's my motivation. But let's see what this game is about. It is on, what's it called? Steam. It is a demo, so I don't know quite what to expect. Some of the stuff that he was trying to play looked really, really complicated, and I think Chucho would love this game. That's exactly what I was thinking. Because he was describing it and all of the other puzzle games that they play, completely different genre that I normally don't play. And my first thought was this would be perfect for Chucho. So we're gonna check it out. And then he also said that he'd be down to, maybe do an interview and talk to me about it too. And as you can see, I'm wearing my official black hoodie today because the other one's dirty. It needs to be washed. Okay, so the rules are drag machines and drop them on the board. Simple enough. Click machines and drag to place conveyors. Okay. And then erase buildings with right click. Okay, so this makes me instantly think of what's that game? Factorio? This makes me think of Factorio with just the conveyor belts. All right, so this is the start. This is the end. Guys, I just beat level 1. Can you send his name to me in Discord? Yeah. His name is actually in the title of the stream. Thinking more like shapes. I don't know what shapes is. I ate a peanut and I ate a little bit of popcorn. And then I remembered why I don't eat popcorn. Okay, so awesome. Level 1. I feel like a winner already. So that's great. Next level. Level 2. Why is there is this too... Okay. Okay, so far not bad. So it looked like it's trying to teach me the progression. First it was, here's how to drag the conveyor belt. Second, it's introducing the second element type of things that I need to move. So I think I might have some questions on the next one, because it's going to stop being easy. Okay, so the white boxes are in the middle. And so the green boxes tell you what is inside of it that needs to be moved. The blue boxes are where the things need to go. Okay, so we got this. Piece of cake. Shapes is an automation game. Yeah, I haven't. Actually, let's look that up. Is it on Steam? I'm gonna look it up quick. Store. Let's see if it's compare shapes with a Z. Yeah, I definitely see what you're saying. If I would have ever known about this before now, yeah, it looks like shapes. Looks kind of like in that same kind of realm. Yeah, excellent. Okay, so level 3, so far so good. Now it's introducing that I have to utilize the different blocks and different pathways. Easy enough. I still feel like this is teaching me at an appropriate level. I don't feel overwhelmed yet. I don't feel confused yet. Okay, so now we're introducing a conveyor splitter, it looks like, or a way to change the direction of things. So based on the animation, I like that it's giving an animation. Oh, okay, you can't redeem Scream. Shork, or 7, what's up, bro? I'm testing out a demo of a dev that this game is going to be, I think he said it's going to be about another month. But this was a demo that he had on Steam, and I said I'd review it just because I want to do stuff like that. Ahmed, hey, bro. Dude, I can't help it. It's not my fault. I'm working on it. Like, I'll be like 6 a.m. my time. I'll at least be around lunchtime, your time, in like a week and a half. Just put up with me till then. I apologize. And then we'll be on the same schedule. That means we have to play together. Tee-hee-hee-hee. So this game is called Block Shop. It is by a developer named Foolbox. He's a streamer. I ran into him earlier today in the stream of the girl Kumizu, who did some of my new emotes. So it's a puzzle game, and I wholeheartedly admit that I am not good at puzzle games. But so far, Mitch said this compares to shapes, and the belts made me think of Factorio. So it just, like the first 3 levels, it introduced the white boxes and the black boxes, setting up the conveyor belts, and how to path those things. So this is introducing the splitter box, I guess, and it looks like it alternates the boxes of where they need to go. So it's right, left, up. And on the one on the right, it's switching between... Okay, so the arrows don't actually matter for it. It's just what it does. So the red is the intake, the green is the output, and it alternates between the outputs. Simple enough. Let's see, splitters redirect blocks in multiple directions. Yeah, I could have just read that. Hi. Yeah, I really want to play Noita, but I want to see how this goes. A splitter like a Factorio? Yeah, like my first thought when I saw this was Factorio. All right, this sounds good, bro. Thanks for stopping in. See, splitters must have 1 input and can have up to 3 outputs. Okay, good to know. So this is where it's going to want me to split something here, right? Okay, so you drag... Yeah, you drag it from the bottom up, and then you... Okay, so now I'm pumping stuff into here. There's an output, and there's an output, and it rotates left, right. Okay, not bad. It should be. It's not working for some strange reason, so I'm sorry. I thought I had it fixed. I haven't solved that yet. Also, I changed how I'm doing my audio. Are you guys able to hear the game? And are you able to hear me? If both of those are yes, then I may not have messed stuff up yet. No supply. Okay, that's strange. Okay. So yeah, there's something funky going on between the Twitch side and StreamerBot. I still have to figure that out. I just haven't had the time because I've been in meetings all day. Okay, so I think I understand the splitter. Easy enough level. Okay, so now we need to have the white boxes go somewhere. And we need to have the black boxes go somewhere. So this is where it's going to do this. Super, super. Oh, Mitch, I haven't told anybody whose scream that is, but it's not going to go away. Yeah, man, go to sleep. Health is super important. Take care of you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. And yeah, I'll catch you tomorrow, bro. All right, we have 3 boxes. I'm still limited to my splitter, so this is where it's going to start having problems. Okay, so I know that I want to split. I think I have to split it here and then like that. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so we're going to do splitter here, 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 there, here, and here. Okay, excellent progression for difficulty. It's starting to feel more challenging, more complicated, but there's still a lot of things we have to unlock. All right, this is a squisher. What does a squisher do? They compress blocks vertically or horizontally. They can also compress blocks into nothing. That's good to know. Squishers must have one input and one output. So that means they have to operate in a line, I think. The first thing I want to test with this squisher is can it be like a 90-degree angle, or does it just have to go in and out? It looks like it's just in and out. And the direction of the line is what tells you whether it's horizontal or vertical. Okay. So that means it needs to do this. Yeah. Okay, easy enough. Good introduction. Oh, wait. We need to squish it high and vertically and horizontally. Okay, that did not work. I just have to squish it horizontally because it's already a vertical black box. There we go. Okay. Level 6 can also be done with filling every square. I don't know what that means. So this is where I need to squish it vertically and horizontally to make this square. So the best place to do that would be here and here. Beautiful. Okay. Building in a danger zone is not recommended. Okay. Solutions which avoid all danger zones will be awarded an efficiency badge. So I can use them, but then I don't get my badge. Okay, so it's giving me some kind of incentive to not use those. That's good. All right, white needs to go over. How the bananas is that supposed to work? Like, how in the actual bananas? So I could squish it. I need to squish it vertically. What if I do a splitter here, right? Right? Work with me. And this is where I need to ask that question. Okay, you can do 90 degrees on that. That's perfect. And then we do a vertical here. And we completely ignore the other side. Great. Great. This is a puzzle game that it makes me feel like I'm not stupid. Because I wholeheartedly admit I am not good at puzzle games. but this is actually a very good tutorial so far. It's increasing the difficulty at a rate of I'm able to absorb what it's giving me. I don't feel overwhelmed. And it's still challenging, so I like that. Okay, so I need to do a horizontal. Let's squish horizontally. And then let's split it, and we'll wrap that through. And then we'll do a vertical split and a vertical split. Nice. Okay, level 10. Pretty good so far. Level 11. I wonder how many levels are in this demo. I don't know. We'll give it a fair shake. I'll go to at least I get stuck. Let's see here. I want to start with a split. And I want a horizontal here. And then we can just pipe this straight up. This is going to need a vertical. This is going to need a vertical. We can pipe that, make this a square. Good to go. Is that it? Oh, I can only have one out. Shoot. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Okay, so it means I can't start with the splitter. I think I first have to shape it. And if it can only have one output, what if we run a splitter here? We do that. We bring it down to here with a horizontal smasher. This one's harder. Buggers. Splitter one lower. That's kind of what I was thinking too. And then we horizontally deal with that. So that would pipe up there. Horizontal bar gets filled. I'm good with that. I still need to convert it into a vertical. What if we do a horizontal and a vertical there? What if we do a double splitter? And then we also do vertical here. And then we smash this over. Nice. Nice. Okay. It's getting more complicated. I like that. All right, stackers. So now the pieces can go on top of each other. This is what I was watching him do. So stackers place blocks on top of each other. The block moving straight will be on the bottom, while the block coming from the side will be on the top. Okay, so that matters. So top, down, left, right. All right, stackers must have 2 inputs and 1 output. Makes sense. So the one that comes from the top gets placed on top. So that means I need to have the stacker here and here. There we go. All right, good night, Mitch. Have a good night, bro. We've got our hydrate. Next level, level 13. Okay, so I need to smash the white one horizontally, I think, right? I need it to be on top of the black one. But we'll both get smashed at the same time. What if I do this? Right? So I put those together. I put the white on top of the black. And then I need to shrink them vertically. Nope. I need to shrink them horizontally. There we go. Okay, very nice. So Block Shop, level 13, really good demo, really good start. The difficulty is still, it's like it's just challenging you to think just one more step ahead. Really good rate so far for someone who, admittedly, not good at puzzle games. So I have 3 white lines. How does that work? So all 3 need to go in there, okay? How do I do this? I definitely need a splitter somewhere. I think they all need to be loaded from this side because they're stackers. But this is still theory, so I'm not sure. If we do this, and this. Okay, so 1 input, 1 output. So we have 1 and 1. How do I get a third? Okay, so that's 1 input, multiple outputs. Does it add to it along the way? That's what I'm thinking. Do a horizontal there. We do a stacker here. What do we get? This might be where I get stuck. I haven't seen this box before, and I don't think I understand the stacking mechanic enough. I would like more space in this level. I feel very restricted at the moment. I definitely think we have to smash it first. I'm pretty sure that's the first move. I know I have to come over, but I need more of these. But how do I get more? The only way I can think of getting more would be to do this. Now we have 2. But I don't know how to get 3 in there at the same time. So it won't even let me do that. Is anybody good with puzzles able to help? What can be done with this? Nothing can be done with that. So nothing works. Okay. You've decided to spoil yourself? Well, you're welcome and loved. Just make sure that you're taking care of you. I know that you were playing earlier and you were streaming. Did you at least get a shower? That's all that I care. You know, hygiene is very important to staying healthy, especially when it's cold. See, it should do something here, but I don't know how to stack 3 together. Or does that mean that I just need to have 3 go to that machine? No, I think it has to be stacked. Cycle things back through each other? No, because I can only have 1 input. This one's hard. Can't you just use cube and 1 compressed? You mean like this? You mean just go straight compressed? I think this is saying I need to have 3 smashed down horizontal white boxes. Stack a compressed onto a full cube. That's what this is doing, is trying to feed in a full white cube into it. But it has to be split into 3 different horizontal segments. So that means at least I would need to have like something like this in there. One full cube. I think that I don't understand what you're saying. If you think you know, I mean, you're probably laying in bed. I know that I have to split it at some point. Rectangle onto cube. So you're saying make a rectangle and put that onto a cube. I can't split that though. Okay, so cube is going to the splitter. Remember, these things can only have 1 input. I have to stack the cubes. I don't understand. I feel like the design is wrong, but I know that I have to merge, I think 3 of them. I I think I have to stack them here. Son of a... It wasn't 3 pieces, it was 2. Having them the same color is an issue on this. I think it should have been like black, white, black. But it makes sense since it's only one color. I guess you can't do that for this level. Yeah, I overthink. That's why I'm bad at puzzle games. But that makes sense. It's literally the horizontal cube on top of the, or the rectangle on top of the cube. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. That was good. Oh, there are hints. You can have up to 3 hints. Okay, that's good. Very helpful. I didn't know what this was. Good. So I need to compress the black box on top of a white cube. So the stack will need to go here. No. I have to stack it before it gets over there. So step 1 is smash it down. So we want to smash it horizontal first. Alright. Then we're going to put that in together. And then we're going to smash it vertically. And get our cube. Okay. Yep. Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking. It's definitely getting harder. I'm starting to get some Baba Is You vibes. All right, level 16. I just want to beat the demo, but I don't know if that's possible. Okay, now that we know what this is, let's see, we can smash it. We don't need to smash it, we just have to merge it. So the merge location matters. Top gets put on top. So this is what we need here. Okay. And this is a black box inside of a cube, so the black box needs to go on top, so it needs to enter from the bottom. Okay, so far so good. White on black. It has to come from the top, so that'll be the same thing here. I feel like this would have been a better... I felt like this would have been an easier, earlier level. This should have... I think that I would replace this one with the earlier one I got stuck on. Actually, no, because of this. I still wouldn't have known what to do with this, but I think this would have given me more clues about that. So white on black. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad. Got hung up on one so far. Oh, bananas. Okay, so this is the base. Base needs to go from the left. And then I need to stack it horizontally. Okay, I can't do that. White needs to go on top of that. So we'll put a stacker here. A stacker here. And then we're going to stack it again. Ah, shoot. It's close. It's close. Alright, I need to put the... It's still coming out wrong. Okay, that's correct. So that means I need to put another stacker on here, but this needs to go on top of this box. So why? Why is that getting switched? Okay, I don't exactly know the mechanics of how that worked. The left, right, top, down is tripping me. Let's look at this. It loads from the bottom, it gets placed on top. But it loads from the side. It gets placed on top again. I don't understand that. This confuses me right here. This seems to be counter to the logic. Because down got placed on top. Top got placed on bottom. This confuses me. Level 17 confuses me. Alright, expander, shrinker. Expanders increase the size of blocks. Shrinkers decrease the size of blocks. So that means they can also scale down a block to nothingness. Okay. Expanders and shrinkers must have one input and one output. So, shrinker. This is expander. This one is shrinker. Okay. The music is good. I like the music. I think the background moving is good. It's simple but complicated. But for someone who does not like or play puzzle games often, I find this enjoyable. So I need to expand this block, and then I need to place the small block on top of the big block. So it needs one input. Let's do an expander here. I feel like I need a splitter. I feel like I need something like this to start. Splitter needs to go out. No. Need to make an expander. I could do it if I use the danger zone on this one. I know that I could. Then we need a stacker as well. I did it by accident. I did it by accident. That was complete accident. Wow. I admit that was lucky. It's starting to get outside where I'm guessing. Nah, super luck. Super luck. Alright, so I need to expand. How does this work? Okay, so you can't expand that to What happens if I shrink it? Okay, so that's not what I want. I can't expand it either. I need to shrink it down first, horizontally. And then I need to increase the size. I need to split it here. I need to shrink it down vertically to where it's this cube. And then I need to expand it here so it's a big cube. And then I have to merge them here. Nice. Okay, not too bad. There's still 3 more things to unlock, and that's not yet. What in bananas is this? Can I shrink it What happens if I shrink it? What happens if I shrink it again? Okay, so then I just need two expanders. Expander. Expander. Ta-da! So this is where they introduce the mechanic of making it remove something. Okay. Level 22. I have just a white cube. I need to expand it. So let's start by expanding. Alright. I'm not very smart. This is luck. Like they're like, I'm sure like you're probably smarter than me in most areas, and Chucho's smarter than me. Let's see. Expand, split, press. Yeah. I think we only need one press though. Where I do that, I think I have to do a splitter here. And I need to split this to where it's going to go. Horizontal? Vertical. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, but expand it first. I think my stacker has to be here. And that's going to expand it, but the expander can only have one output. That's my problem. Yeah, can only have one output. So now we have those. Wonder how many conversions I have to do to make that work. Interesting, that won't even go. White would have to be on the bottom, so it's coming from the right side. Means horizontal has to come from the top. Splitter, expander into vertical, into horizontal, into stacker. I need the expander earlier. Or, no, I just do this. Vertical, horizontal, splitter. Yeah. There we go. All right, level 23. This is definitely getting more challenging. So now I have to do small square on big square, both directions. So both need to be expanded. Both need to be stacked. I like stackers being on the end. Right? So I need a normal black square to get there. So we're going to do a shrinker there. Do an expander here. Do a splitter here. Expander, shrinker. And then we're going to repeat the same thought process on this side. We're going to do an expander. Into a shrinker. Now this just needs to be added. So it's just a white dot on a large black thing. There we go. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. And this is already small, so it doesn't need the shrinker. You just do this. Nice. Tough thing is that you have to do it in your head. Yeah, trying to visualize this is complicated. Being able to like work through the different pieces is really fun, because you can kind of see what the output is and you can like almost trial and error it, but doing it in your head, it would be really, really hard. And I think Chucho would love this game. I really think Chucho would love this game, especially as it gets harder. Okay, so I need a tiny vertical with a long, thin horizontal on top of a full. So let's start by throwing a splitter on it. And we know that we're going to need that last. So let's compress. Squish, squish. So we have that piece now that needs to be on top. Okay. So then we need to squish this vertically and vertically. The output. This can move here, right? Okay. And then I need to compress that horizontally once, right? Shrink it then vertically. Yeah. This needs to be on top of the small one. I have an issue. I have an issue. I can get the end pieces. One of these two need to overlap. One of these two need to have the same function. So I know both of them need to be smashed first. This one's tricky. Because I think that if I did like a stacker here, it's going to give me the right output. It's going to give me the wrong output. So that means I need to run this in the other direction. So I need to have vertical up top and then having the horizontal come across. So that means if I do that, what if I start by smashing it horizontally, since both of them need that? I still need a duplicate process for the large square. I still need that. Let me do this. Do a vertical squisher. All right. Vertical. Vertical. Okay, good. Yes. Yes, we're on the right track. Stacker. Because this will stack a square. And this is where I smash it horizontally. And this is where I stack them here to output the right top component. Yes. And then I need to merge it with the white square. Okay, why does that not work? It gives an extra square of space. I don't know why that doesn't work. Are you saying it gives an extra square so I could like not use one of these? Okay, so if we change our components, let's just restart. I would like a button to clear the board. That's what I would like to see. If there's a button that's like just restart, refresh, I would like that. What if we do this? Actually, no. I can't. I could shrink this. Trash can. Oh. There's a button to clear everything. So it was already thought of. Yes, I am silly. I am silly. I still think I need a splitter here. And then I can shrink the box. And then I can smash it vertically. DJ, did you hear that? Did that work? Hey, DJ. You redeemed the scream. Did you guys hear that? Okay, cool. So that means it's actually working. I don't know why it was out of stock. It might have been on cooldown. So if we do this, then what if I change the stacker to be here? Okay, so that's incorrect. It means I have to feed it through this. That's still incorrect. But both of them need compressed. That's what's tripping me. So both of them need compressed. What if I run another splitter here? Okay. And I smash it vertically. We stack it here. We smash it horizontally again. It needs smashed vertically one more time. Okay. This should okay, that's producing the right output. What wasn't happening before it's not aligning this here correctly because the white block is on top. So that means the white block needs to hit that from, I think I need to use the shrink and expand at the same time. This is definitely more complicated. This one might get me. We'll give it a couple more minutes. Let's see here. Let's start by shrinking it. All right, and if I'm shrinking it, what else can I do to it? Because what if I split it here, and I split it here, but I put an expander back on it here so it's full size. No, that won't work either. Because then I don't have a way to merge it. I'm doing super, man. I had a really good day at work. I was worried about one of my meetings, but it turned out okay. What if I change my thought process? Change my thought process. I shrink it down. What if I expand it back up here instead? Right? If I still have to create this smash, so I would have to duplicate it somehow. This would need to be smashed down horizontally. Alright. Which... no. This reminds you of a game you have, but it's different. Yeah, Mitch was saying this was like shapes. My first thought was this is Factorio. That is not sufficient. It would need at least one more. And then it would have to merge with... I feel like I need to split the box again somehow. This is what's tripping me up. Because even if I do this... I would need to shrink this. Then I would need to compress it vertically. Sorry. I need to compress it vertically, not horizontally. Okay. The box would then need to be fine. I could then put a stacker here. Okay, so that's not right. But if I change this instead. Shrinker. This is where you have to learn the pieces. You have to connect the pieces together. They have to combo. Like, I'm duplicating functions somewhere, and I have to eliminate one of my processes. What do you guys think? I'm pretty sure that the box has to come from the right. Like, for example, if I put a stacker here, if the box came from the right, I could manipulate what's going on to it. See, that's the right thought. So if I shift that out, what if we just move this over here? I know that this isn't right, but it's a step in that direction. And the pieces need shared compress. You think I need to split twice and the pieces need shared compress? But I don't know how to get that horizontal line. You're right, I do need to compress. There's something I'm missing. Alright, so let's see. You said you need to split it twice. So that would give me at least 3. But I know that the white has to be added from the right. So if I had a stacker, I would need to put that here. This would need to come around. right? And then I could shrink here, right? And then I could vertically compress here, and I could have those add together. Okay. But I have a problem. See, that's not enough. So vertical going into a shrinker works. Okay, so let's see. If I take this and I smash it vertically, and I put it into a shrinker, I get the tiny spot. So that means if I had this here, loading it from the top. Hey Mizu, how you doing? Guys, this is Mizu. She's like a really, really good artist. These are the emotes. 3 of the most awesomest emotes that she made for me. She's phenomenal. Yeah, Mizu, I'm trying out the demo of Block Shop from Foolbox. I've managed to get to this level, but I'm not good at puzzle games, so I feel like this is where I start to get stuck. And I haven't even unlocked the other 3 pieces yet. Yeah, the emotes are sick, dude. They're so good. You see, I just knew that I had to let you do your thing. Because it works better that way. Oh, I do have hints. Alright, so clear the board and permanently add a machine to help you. Yes! Okay, I had that there at one point in time. Grr. Alright. I need more hints. Really? Horizontal smasher? I don't understand. Yeah, that sounds good. Thank you so much. And I'm sure I'll be catching you too. And if there's anything that you ever are doing, like creatively, that you want me to shout you out or stuff like that. Oh, Mizu totally gets a shout out, by the way. If you don't know her, she is phenomenal. Q. Mizu. Woot woot. Alright, I'm gonna get another hint. I'm stuck on this level. Level 24, it may have beaten me. Why is that there? That makes no sense. Okay, so we're feeding in a horizontal. The horizontal is going to be on top of the vertical. I want more hints. No, I want more hints. Tell me the answer. Do a vertical and then a shrinker. That's not working. This doesn't make sense to me. like this stacker needs to be here. What if we do that? It can't, because this has to load in from this side. All right, have a good night, Mitch. And thank you for the hydrate, bro. Actually starting to get warm. Hold on a sec. Even with these 3 hints, I don't know what they're going for. Unless we port this over. But it has to be smashed twice. So Really? If we do this into a vertical? No. Stacker? Ah. I think this one beat me. Yeah. I feel like I need a shrink function here that I'm not familiar with. But I also don't know how to... I feel like this is a waste. I feel like over here is a complete waste of that space. What if we shrink it first? Right? Work with me here. And then what if we expand it back here? Okay, so that's not quite right. What if this level... okay, I highly doubt that's the case, because Foolbox seems like a very intelligent and puzzle-friendly individual. I highly doubt that's an oversight. I highly doubt. But I like where your head's at. But I'm not gonna throw in the towel just yet. I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes, and then we'll call it. Because I don't want to get locked into a puzzle game where I feel trapped. Well, we've made progress with it, right? I just wish there was a way that you could unsquish things. So that's what I think is really messing with me. Because it works okay when we're like this. It gives us the 2 initial pieces. But we're gonna have to have 2 stackers at least. Right? Like we'll at least need 2 stackers. So that means I think the next stacker has to be there. But what do I do with that last piece? I think over here is wrong. I think these are wrong. I feel like I need to split it. And then I need to smash it. it's going to produce the same result, I think. Okay. So the component that I'm still missing is a shrink and vertical smash. Those are what's tripping me. But since it's just putting the square underneath it, I could do a shrink and a vertical smash like that, and it still should give me the end result that I need. This right here is what's throwing me. This right here, that's throwing me. I don't know why that needs to be there, unless it needs to feed into this, which would mean I need to put the horizontal smasher there and have it feed in, and that would still produce the same result, right? No, that wouldn't. I'm stuck. Because now I'm getting a dot. What happens if you do an expander on that? Nothing. So it's the same result. Okay, so we do that. What if we do a horizontal smash then? Does that give us a square? Okay, what if we do it again? Will that give us what we need? Okay, that's what we need. I still need a square to come in from the left or the right side. That's what I don't have. But I could also compress twice and then expand, and that should still give me a square. Because what I would like to do is this. That's going to put the square on top. The square can't be coming from the top. Yeah, this brain is not braining. My brain is absolutely not braining. I 100% concur. It's either that or you have to stack them in order, but I can't picture the steps I need to do that. Because I don't know how to get the full square over there without wasting a ton of space. But the only thing that I can think of, no, because it has to be built in order, I think, because I have to have two stackers. So I have to stack, like the box has to stack with the vertical piece, right? And if this is a stacker, that's going to be the last piece in the chain. This should be adding the small piece into the large piece. And if that's the case, what if we did this? What if we did a stacker here, and I try to get a small vertical piece up into here? See, now that line's not enough. Does it alternate pieces, or does it send that piece to every single thing? Like, what if I did this? Is that going to give me different outputs? Okay. What happens if you shrink that? I'm confused. I am confused. Because I know I need to load in a box from the left, but I need two pieces to make that work. What if we start with a shrinker, right? Right? What if we do shrinker? And then this goes to a vertical smash. This goes back to an expander, right? This goes to a stacker here. Okay, so that's the base, right? That's the base. I need a stacker for the second horizontal function, but this is extremely limiting if these are the hints. So is there more than one way to solve this? That's my question. Because I still have a full box there, but that's in the correct order. This horizontal would have to, yeah, it's close, but it's just not right. Okay, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and call it. I think that this is a super fun demo, super fun game. So great job, Foolbox. Admittedly, I'm not a strong puzzle advocate, but I do feel that up to this point, it was very good in terms of letting me know as a player kind of the rules and how it went along. Most of it felt really good. Some of it was easy. Once we start getting into mixing and matching these things, I'm just not sure. I know level 24 is possible. I know it is, and I hopefully he'll like show me. Like, I'd like to see the solution for this, or if anybody actually out there that does the solution for this, like, send it to me, because I like to learn. Like, what was I missing? But with the hints here, these hints totally throw me, because I know that the rest of the pipeline has to come here, and the only other place that could go is the second stacker. Like, yeah, I don't know. These hints throw me. I would feel better if this wasn't here, and like one of the I feel like a better hint here would be more suitable for me, because having these these three here, I just feel locked in, and I don't feel like it actually helped me. I feel like this narrowed my vision. But yeah, absolutely great. This is super fun. Once it comes out, or even I'll probably just play it more in my free time, just so I don't have people laughing at me. Yeah, really good job. Like you can definitely tell the amount of work into it. Like, I mentioned the music earlier. It's engaging. It's kind of like motivational. It kind of like feels like you're in like a nice chill intellectual space. So this gives totally good vibes, even for someone who is, not great at these types of things. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do the end of the demo here. I'm going to take just a quick 2 or 3 minutes, and then I'm going to jump into some ashes and see kind of what the patch notes were. So I will be back in just a second. This is just so I can, have the VOD separate, and that way I can actually post this on YouTube, because I want to connect with developers and play games, especially if I'm not good at it. Because you guys deserve to be seen. Like, you can tell that you put work into this, a lot of thought and energy, and even just watching you code earlier today, Foolbox, it was really inspiring. So hopefully I want to see more of that. I definitely am looking for that. So yeah, I will see you guys later. This was the game Block Shop by Foolbox. You can find him at Foolbox. That's Foolbox on Twitch. And yeah, talk to you soon.